Real quick, I just wanted to take a break, let my food settle. I was getting a lot of emails from people that went ahead and got this deal because I recommended it. They updated the website. It used to say down here, it used to say 105 per item. And there's a pair pictured and it's 209 for the pair. So, and the reason why I thought this was just a good promotional deal was because last year's version, which was the V2, had the engraving on the back, which is more expensive. It also had the diamond cut frame, which is more expensive. So I got my version in. I only got one. I contacted Amazon customer service. They said to contact NVX Direct. I went ahead and contacted NVX Direct and I said, hey, I bought this. Where's my second one? Please let me know if you can send me a second one. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to return this one. So, and just a heads up, NVX has to pay the return shipping. So it's really expensive for them to take a return on this and then have to sell it again at a profit. So, like I said, last year during Black Friday, they were selling the version 2 for $154 shipped on Amazon, which I thought was a really good deal. This version isn't as, what's the word? Cosmetically detailed, right? It doesn't have some of the other details of this one. So it cost them less to make, but they spent a little bit, 50 cents more on the cone, which again, I got. Again, you just remove the boot, remove the gasket. I haven't done any of those modifications because I don't know if Nathan's gonna welch on the deal or not. It looks like he's going to welch because they updated the website. It doesn't say for the pair anymore. So again, I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt to try to make things right. And I suggest you do the same. It actually makes them, what is it? It's not that they make more money, it's they lose less money if they send you the second driver. So that's what I suggest you do. Make sure you contact Amazon customer service first, as just as a way to document that you tried to, use up all your means before doing a refund. Okay. So and then, like I said, I also what you want to do is include your shipping address, so that way they don't have to bug you again and they just take care of it and it's done. So I just wanted to give you the guys heads up on this deal. I love you. I will talk to you later.